Hi guys, what is up? Sorry. Why do I never shut the door before recording? But yeah, when was it? Yesterday or the day before I went out shopping and I got Yokai medallion. So you open it. The first thing you'd see is that. Then you open this. And you got things when you're like, summon a legendary yokai. But, oh, hold on a second. I'm going to hide down here for a surprise. Yes, that is right. I am wearing the yokai watch and I got a little surprise for you. I got my yokai medals in. I set them out in groups. You know some of them, but some of them are new, like got in packs. So I'm going to take you through the new ones. And also, I'm going to be calling this video, well, I'm going to check my channel first when I've done this video. But I'm going to be calling this maybe, Toy Review 2. Because I think I done a toy review on the old ones. If I didn't, I will do one. And, before I update this video, I'll do one, update that video, then upload this video, if I haven't. But the first one, I actually got along with the medallion, and it is QB. It's a closer look. It is a shiny, mysterious tribe. So here it goes. The song, yeah, the song doesn't really sound right, but it's really cool, kind of mysterious. Like, you know why it is mysterious yokai. And the song's like a boo, shake it, boo, woo, woo. But it's mysterious yokai. Next up, Wakapa.
Summoning Charming!
Wakapa. Wakapa.
And yeah, sorry if the camera shake, then I fell against the wall a bit. Yeah. Next up, we have the Snake. Take a closer look at this guy. He's the tribe of Slippery. Wakapa was the tribe of Charming. Here we go. Come on.
Summoning
Snake. So there is Snake. And at the end of this video, when I've done nearly all the medals, I've got a really big surprise for you. Oh yeah, and this isn't the next yokai, but Komajiro, right? It's Komajiro, background and all with the thing. Heartful, he's charming. That's because when you listen to this, you'll hear, but it's actually, nice one, it's actually Stepper. And I read it there, it's not very clear. It's definitely not going to be clear on there, I can tell you that. But, yeah. So, just so you know, the next up is one of the gang. It's, nearly said Stepper, or Wiggling. Here we go. 10 out of 10. We'll see why I said that in a sec. out of 10.
Wiggler!
So yeah. Saying that, we're actually moving on to Stepperson. Steppajiro.
Summoning Heartful.
There we are.
Step up.
The Dancing Trio! 10 out of 10!
See?
Step up.
Step up. That catching it would just fit perfect in the watch. Tell you what, yeah. I'm not doing it again. Because that would just get annoying. You know what I mean? I hope you do. Right, we're almost at the surprise. I'm not sure if you can actually see this. In case you can, I'm shutting the thing. The surprise may have been ruined. Oh yeah, next up we have Raph. I think that's his name at least.
Summoning
Ruff.
Tough.
Tough.
Red Band's jacket stand. Bling, bling, tough.
Raph! Raph!
It's Raph, I think. Raph or Raph. Roof. Right. Now for the big mega surprise. Guys, the boxes you buy the medals in. One legendary in each box. Me, the one person I didn't expect to be. The one that got the legendary Comasan. Look at it. It's the right colour gold. It's really cool artwork. Even the back's gold. Now to listen to it. That's the thing. Again, I just need to show it to you too many times. Because it's so wonderful.
Summoning Legendary. Imaginary, incendiary. Flip, flop, squeal, boom, slim, slam, legendary.
Shogun Yan! Ultimate Ring Shake T-Shirt Splitter!
I love that in a bit.
Shogun Yan!
And now for the big finale. Come on out, my friend. Call in Comasan. You know I nearly called that. Summoning Comasan. Oh, can I do it now? Summoning Comasan. Nope. Summoning Comasan. Yokai Medal, do your thing.
Summoning Legendary. Imaginary, incendiary. Flip, flop, squeal, boom, slim, slam, legendary.
Shogun Yan! Ultimate Ring Shake T-Shirt Splitter!
So yeah, guys, that is this toy review of my other medals I got. I'm out of breath with that dance. It was a tiny dance. But yeah,
Shogun Yan!
yeah, I keep them all in my yokai medallion. And yeah, I might at the end of the video do a quick show close-up of them. But apart from that, goodbye guys.